Welcome to Rodeco Metal Finishing. From the very beginning, our mission has always been to be a results-oriented team, providing the best solutions to meet the needs of manufacturers. Equipment. For over 60 years, Rodeco has worked with manufacturing companies of all sizes. We provide the equipment to meet all their vibratory, blast, and parts washing needs. Supplies. Our experts ensure that you get the exact right product for your needs, and we guarantee our customized supply solutions will keep your equipment and processes running. But we won't stop there. Count on us to continuously provide you with the media you require. Contract finishing. Outsource without compromise. Rodeco's Job Shop team provides unsurpassed excellence to meet your production and quality control needs. Let us handle issues such as wastewater management, meeting cleanliness standards, and fast turnaround time, while reducing your capital expenditure. When you choose Rodeco, you can be sure you are outsourcing without compromise. Rodeco knows quality. We operate under the guidance of an ISO 9001-2015 standards. Field services with Rodeco Blast Solutions. Keeping your equipment running smoothly and efficiently can be a challenge. Rodeco maintains the most comprehensive blast parts inventory in the Southeast. Take advantage of our field services, a regularly scheduled maintenance plan, and same-day shipping on parts and supplies. Let Rodeco Blast Solutions be your biggest asset in the field. Our experienced team helps to regularly maintain your equipment to reduce the chances of failure and recommends when to replace parts to keep your equipment running smoothly. We ship you the parts you need same day, so there's no waiting around.